Yes. So, good evening. Can we also? Yes, sir. That's Ram Gopal Verma, ladies and gentlemen. One big round of applause. Sir, after a very, very long time, Veerappan, how are you feeling?
Great.
All right, we also have the lead actor. Can we please have Mr. Sachin Joshi on stage? एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Sachin Joshi, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, sir. Welcome. Good to see you. Looking fantastic. And now, can we please have on stage एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए one and only very beautiful Zareen Khan, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Zareen Khan, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए एक बार. Good evening. Welcome. Sir, मैं आपसे दो सवाल करूंगा. We have you on stage after a very long time. The movie Veerappan. क्या सोचा sir? What did you think? What's the study that you have done for this?
Well, I basically did a lot of research based on meeting the people who worked, ex-gang members of Veerappan and, the police officers were involved in hunting him down, things like that, yeah.
So the main character Veerappan, we're going to hide him so far because you want people to see him in
Yes.
the big cinemas. How did you find him? What was your search for him?
I mean, it was just like through a casting agency and we just did a makeup test and he's an excellent actor. He's from Delhi theatre, yeah.
Looks scary, sir. Looks scary. We're going to wait for 27th. I'm going to move to Mr. Sachin Joshi. Ladies and gentlemen, Sachin Joshi here. Your look in the movie is killer. It looks fantastic. The trailer looks amazing. And tell us about your character, about your look. How did you prepare yourself?
Well, good evening, everyone. But I think this film is more about Veerappan and his look and his story. It's nothing to do much with me. I'm just playing a cop's character. I think Veerappan is more important to be spoken about.
Yes, he definitely is. And can I ask you why Veerappan? Why did you choose to do this?
Well, everybody wants to make a film on the heroes. I thought let's pick up on a villain. That's all.
Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for these guys? And before I move on that side, what we're going to do is that we're going to have the launch here, and after that, I'm going to talk to her. So the song launch, Khalas, that's what we're going to do. Can we have the CDs, please? Sir, please, if you go, can we have the CDs? Yes, what we're going to do is that song launch tabhi hoga jab aap Veerappan ki over that mustache thing. That's when we're going to play the song here. Khalas. So on my count, 1, 2, 3, if you all do that for the media, and that's when the song plays. Yes, ready? 1, 2, 3. And you know what? जब ये स्क्रीन पे ये कर सकती है तो ये यहाँ पे भी होना चाहिए कि नहीं यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, right? Zareen, you can't leave us like that. You've done a. First of all, I want to ask you, such a high energy song, such expressions. How did you do this?
सबसे पहले तो I would want to thank Sir Ram Gopal Verma and Sachin for giving me this opportunity to do this, you know. I myself never ever imagined myself doing something like this. I think it is their faith that they had in me, their vision that I wanted to live up to. The brief that I had got that I have to depict the spirit of Veerappan. And I hope that I am depicting it. I hope आप लोगों को गाना अच्छा लगा है क्योंकि ये already एक बहुत ही famous गाना है जो मेरा personally बहुत favorite था. And I am very, very glad that, you know, I could be a part of this song. And it is very sweet of Sachin and Sir to have launched this on my birthday because it's my birthday today.
Yes, we all know that. Thank you for spoiling the surprise in such an amazing way. But we had something done. But before we move on, do you want to see Zareen perform on Khalas or not? Yes or no? Ladies and gentlemen, yes or no? Yes. You can't leave like that. I'm gonna hold that for you. Can we have the track, please? Zareen is gonna move on that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां मारो. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए एक बार.
I wouldn't be dancing here alone. I would only dance if y'all help me dance and y'all groove along to the song. अगर आप लोगों को ये गाना पसंद आया है तो आप लोग भी मेरा साथ देंगे and साथ में groove करेंगे.
Can we have the track, please? Yes. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Zareen Khan and the dancers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. I love the song. And before we move on, can we please have Sharip Toshi?
So, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Can I have some noise, guys? Everyone, please. Make some noise out there. Noise from there also. I can't hear you. So, I hope you all like the song. गाना कैसा लगा आप लोगों को? थोड़ा जोर से. Great. So, we being fortunate to compose, recreate the song and sang as well. So, I would like to thanks everyone. आप लोग यहाँ इतना gather हुए इतनी ज़्यादा तादाद में. Thanks to Ramu sir, thanks to Sachin sir, and big thanks to Zareen, who look really gorgeous in the video. So, क्या आप लोग ये गाना live सुनने के लिए तैयार हैं हमारी तरफ से everyone? Super. So we'll sing the song once again for you. Here we go. So the surprise is
अच्छा हम लोग ने गा लिया, आप लोगों ने गाना देख लिया. अब आप सब लोगों को हमारे साथ गाना है एक बहुत कॉमन गाना जो हम बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक गाते ही रहते हैं. हर ओकेजन पे, हर साल वो ओकेजन आती है. एनी गेसेस कि कौन सा गाना है वो?
very very happy, healthy, successful,
Wow.
prosperous
Yes,
birthday.
that's the kick.
Zareen Khan के लिए जोरदार तालियां everyone.
We're gonna light it. Now, since that you have said that it was my birthday, I think you should say the wish also. Any wishes this birthday, Zareen?
I think I'm already very happy on my birthday and whatever is happening here and, the gift that has been given to me by, Sir and Sachin and the love that has been given to me over here. So I'm already very happy. Thank you for an amazing song. And yeah, I don't think I could ask for more. I'm just very happy. Thank you all. But everybody has to sing to make me happy, okay?
As I said.
Okay, everyone, please put your hands together and sing with us with your
One,
clap. 1, 2,
2,
3, and 4. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zareen. Happy birthday to you.
Sing along, everybody.
May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
To you. I can't sing.
वाओ, मजा आ गया.
So, God bless you and what to you for the movie. To you for the movie. And everybody knows that the movie. Would you want to like to tell them when is it releasing and why they should go see it?
Well, Veerappan is a very special film, and it's releasing on 27th May, another 12 days to go. And I hope if you like to see real life characters and if you really enjoy something different to watch, and if you like to watch Ram Gopal Verma films, then you must watch this one. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
everyone. Please don't forget to watch the film 27th of May and keep listening to songs, do shares. Thank you so much.
Yes. And before we let them go, one last time, everybody, please have a big round of applause for the team of Veerappan right here. Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, Sachin Joshi, Zareen Khan, and the rockstars Sharip and Toshi. Please don't forget to hit the theaters 27th of May. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. Thank you all.
सबसे पहले तो हैप्पी बर्थडे आपको, हैप्पी बर्थडे आपको सबसे पहले तो। आज का सबसे पहला विश अगर आप कुछ बता सके तो, आज का सबसे पहला विश आपको किसने किया या क्या था, अगर कुछ बता सके आप तो।
सबसे पहले थैंक यू फॉर योर विशेस एंड आई थिंक सबसे पहला विश मुझे मेरी मॉम ने ही किया है।
और कितना सेलिब्रेशन होने वाला है आज के दिन, कुछ
वेल आई थिंक इससे ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेशंस तो मैं और मांग नहीं सकती। पर्सनल सेलिब्रेशन तो कुछ ज़्यादा होंगे नहीं।
कोई ऐसा भी इंसान है जिससे आप हमेशा बच के रहना चाहती हैं? बिकॉज
आई थिंक लोगों को मुझसे बच के रहना चाहिए, मैं किसी से नहीं डरती।
सचिन, आपकी फिल्म आज हमने देखा गाना भी लॉन्च हुआ है, हमने देखा है बहुत प्रमोशन करते हैं आप, ट्रेनों में, बसों में, एयरपोर्ट, दुबई, हर जगह। तो इस बार ये कैसे करने वाले हैं आप इसका प्रमोशन?
ये तो आपको देख के ही पता चलेगा, बट हर बार कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करते हैं मार्केटिंग में, प्रमोशन में। तो आप कुछ नया देखेंगे रिलीज़ के आसपास, अभी एक 10-15 दिन और बाकी है, तो होपफुली कुछ नया दिखने मिलेगा। थैंक यू।
Ram Gopal Verma, sir, here. I have a question for you. Here.
Yeah.
Sir, hi, this is Sandesh from Zoom. I wanted to ask you, what made you choose, select Zareen for this particular song?
See, I basically, the original Khalas song was very popular and over the years. And I wanted someone who can live up to that and probably go far beyond that. And I wanted someone really hot to perform. And I think Zareen is hotter than the sun.
Yeah, sir, here. Sir, this side.
Sir.
Yeah, this side.
Yes,
this
yes,
side.
yeah.
Yeah, hello, hi. I'm Bhavya from Book My Show. So my question from you would be, आप किसको इंडस्ट्री से खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity?
Industry go, yeah, that word?
आप इंडस्ट्री में से किसको खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity? Any person?
I think there might be some police people also here. I won't be able to. I will tell you privately.
Okay, one question to Zareen, if that's what. Yeah, hello, hi Zareen.
Hi.
First of all, happy birthday. The question to you I have is, so recently, like it's all public now that Salman Khan and Ulia have finally made a public declaration of love through their public appearance. So what do you think of that? Like, would that happen soon? Is marriage on?
Well, honestly speaking, I have no idea about what's happening in other people's life because there's so much happening in my life to keep a track of
but
that
do you
only.
think he'll make a good husband? What do you have to say?
See, I really don't know, and I'm not here to judge. I mean, I'm very happy if things are happening with him and Ulia, but I just wish them all the best. And I think the whole country has been waiting for him to get married. So I think it'll be something to look forward to.
Thank you so
राम
much.
गोपाल
Thank you.
वर्मा जी,
Yes,
आपके
please
सामने-
stick to Khalas questions also with the Veerapan.
रामू जी, और एक फिल्म का ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ जिसका नाम है रमन राघव। अगर आपने उस फिल्म का ट्रेलर देखा हो तो कुछ आपको कैसा लगा?
No,
कुछ
I
बता
didn't see the trailer yet.
Yeah, and specifically, let's stick to Veerapan and Khalas questions also. Somebody had a question here?
Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, it's for you. Has Isha Kopegar seen the song yet? Because she was a item girl for the song. Does Isha Kopegar has seen this song, Khalas? Because
No, she hasn't seen. I mean, it
Okay.
is not to my knowledge because we just launched it just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
We were here for the song launch of Khalas.
Ram Gopal Verma,
Just-
sir, I
Yeah,
have a
so
question for you.
one question
For this,
specifically to this movie.
As we can see, there are a lot of, action scenes are very brutal in this movie. We have seen in the trailer. So, what challenges did you face from the censor board to, get it cleared, or was there any problem?
I mean, see, we haven't yet gone to the censor board, but the point is the film is eventually an emotional film. And Veerapan is a brutal guy. So, obviously, the images will be brutal. So, to be true to the spirit of Veerapan. But if you watch the overall film in totality, I don't think the brutality will be in the forefront.
So one more question.
Zareen over here, you have replaced Kangana in Divine Lovers. So what do you have to say about that?
Where are you? Oh, okay, there. Well, I honestly have no idea about the whole replacement thing. I had no idea that Kangna was doing the film before me. I am just very happy that I am getting the opportunity to do this film, and yeah, that's about it.
Also, Isha Kopegar had shaken the leg for Khalas in last 14 years back. So now you're performing the same song. So any pressures because that time the song was very hit.
Well, it's been one of my favorite songs, and the way it was told to me, the vision, Ramu sir's vision of this song Okay, she's not even listening anymore, so I don't think I need to reply.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much once again, Ram Gopal sir. Thank you so much, Sachin. Thank you so much, Zareen. Once again, happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you all.